All new at 6 tonight. What if you could make a difference in your community and get help paying off your student loans? It is a possible solution coming out of Capitol Hill to address the lack of mental health providers in underserved New York areas. U.S. Senator Kirsten Gillibrand promoting legislation that would give student loan forgiveness to providers who commit to practicing in those communities. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley has a reaction from our region to this idea.
This type of program is so necessary. It's so needed.
Elise Flunder is a mental health counselor in Buffalo with Vines Talk Healing, working with the Black and Brown community. She tells me Senator Kirsten Gillibrand's support for bipartisan legislation to expand the Mental Health Professionals Workforce Shortage Loan Repayment Act would offer student loan forgiveness to encourage mental health professionals to work in underserved communities.
This field is already a very expensive field. This is something that you constantly have to pour finances into.
Basically, within 6 years, all your student loans would be repaid if you give 6 years of service in an underserved area.
Gillibrand says 55 out of 62 counties do not have enough psychiatrists, psychologists, or social workers in underserved and rural communities.
In New York State, nearly 3 million adults have mental health conditions, which is more than 10 times the population of Buffalo.
Center for Health Workforce Studies say by the year 2030, New York is projecting a shortfall of as many as 2,600 psychiatrists. But if this bill is approved, it could have quick results.
Obviously, people would not go into private practice. They would feel kind of forced to stay within community work because they don't have the financial means to take care of student loans.
Did you have a lot of student loan debt?
Absolutely. I still do. I have over 100,000 in student loan debt that I am definitely one of those people that is like a dark cloud hanging over me. I graduated not too long ago, just a few years ago. So I'm like new into this.
The proposed bill would repay up to $25,000 in student loans for mental health professionals if they agree to work in specific areas. Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Buffalo.